What is up, guys? Grayson here. Today I'm going to be making a trap using a soldering gun so that the squirrels do not get in my bird feeder. My plan is to use some tape, a soldering gun right there, and a fan so that none of the smoke gets blown in my face, to try to solder some and tape some pieces of paperclip that I have just embedded onto it so that they can't get on. My main plan is to make a figure somewhat like this, so that if they try to get through, they'll be poked by the ends. Let's see how that goes. Here's how it looks. So far, I'm actually glad, I'm happy what I did, because it's really easy to take it on and off. These parts are soldered, and I taped a little bit on the top just so that it works. I would have gone all the way through, but as you can see, there's this slit here, and there's a slit back here, and that's how I actually end up putting it on. This allows it to move freely, and hopefully if they try to go up here, they'll get sort of caught in these things, and they'll have to go back down. But I don't know, squirrels are really smart. They probably could just do something like that. So I'll stay you guys tuned. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.